Hello everyone! Did you know that you can unlock exclusive rewards in Clash Royale using special codes? Whether it is free gems, gold, or rare chests, redeeming code is quick and simple. So stick with me as I guide you through the entire process step by step. So the first step is to launch Clash Royale on your device. So ensure that you are logged into the account where you want to redeem the code. This is important because redeemed rewards are tied to your current account. So once the game is open, look for the settings icon, which is located in the top right corner of the home screen. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Here, you will find options to customize your game and manage your account. So in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled redeem code. Tap on it to enter the redemption portal. If you don't see this option, ensure your game is updated to the latest version, as older versions may not have this feature. Now carefully type in the promo code you have received. Double check for any typos as the code will not work if entered incorrectly. Once you are sure it is correct, tap the confirm or redeem button. If the code is valid, you will see a success message and the rewards will be added to your account instantly. Now, if you encounter any issues such as an invalid code error, make sure that the code hasn't expired or that it is entered exactly as provided, including capitalization. So, some codes are region specific, so check the details of the code to ensure it works in your area. And that's it. You have now successfully redeemed a code and unlocked some fantastic rewards in Clash Royale. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.